Within judges, we are Timputing Beliung presenting our analysis titled The Impact of Technology Adoption on Economic Growth and Poverty Reductions. Around the world, access to technology has expanded rapidly. Yet the divide between those connected and those left behind still divides opportunity. Our research asks a simple but urgent questions. How those technology adoption shapes a nation's prosperity and poverty? Using World Bank data from 2000 to 2024, we analyzed over 200 countries to uncover how access to electricity and the internet influence income growth and living standards. What we found is clear. Technology is no longer a privilege, it's a condition for progress. This slide explains why technology plays such a central role in development. The pathway is simple, tied to productivity and to income and to lower poverty. On the chart below, we can see that countries with higher internet access tend to have higher GDP per capita. The relationship is positive and consistent. Nations that invest in connectivity experience faster growth and improving living standard. In short, more technology means more growth. Less technology brings more struggle, and better connection creates better lives. This relationship becomes even clearer when we look at long-term global trends.
Next, global trends by income group. Here we look at long-term global trends by income level. On the top left, GDP per capita shows that high-income countries have maintained a clear lead in growth. Electricity and internet access on the right reveal that connectivity expanded worldwide, but faster in richer economies. Below, we see poverty declining mainly in middle-income nations, while low-income countries remain stagnant. In summary, 1. High-income nations lead in growth in both growth and technology. 2. Access improves but remains unequal. 3. More tax means more growth but not for all. These patterns set the stage for our deeper analysis of how technology adoption links with prosperity and poverty.
To explore that link from the previous slide, we group countries using a tech index combining electricity and internet access. The results are striking. On the left, GDP per capita rises consistently as technology adoption increases. On the right, regions like North America and Europe earn highest in tech access, while Sub-Saharan Africa remains lowest. The conclusion is clear. Technology adoption is a strong predictor of economic strength and poverty reduction. High-tech nation earns up to 7 times higher GDP per capita on average than low-tech nation. However, inequality persists. Global progress is real, but it's uneven.
From our analysis, we concluded that countries with higher technology adoption consistently enjoy greater prosperity and lower poverty rates. Statistically, nations with greater access to the internet and electricity show a 46% stronger correlation with GDP, confirming that technology and prosperity move together. Yet the outliers tell another story. Some middle-income nations achieve strong growth even with modest tech access, suggesting that digital readiness, governance, and education also shape the outcome. In other words, technology is not the destination, it's the vehicle, and policy drives the direction. However, while our dataset spans over 200 countries from 2000 to 2024, some nations report irregularly, which may slightly affect our cross-country comparability. Our analysis was exploratory and correlational, not causal. We standardized all indicators using z-scores, ensured no data manipulation, and acknowledged possible bias from unequal national reporting.
Our analysis is built entirely on the World Bank's World Development Indicators from 2000 to 2024, access to the ASA Database 2025 official dataset. We use Python, Power BI, and Canva to visualize and interpret the data, ensuring full transparency under the CC by 4.0 open data license.
From the analysis, one third stand out. Countries that invest in technology grow faster, connect deeper, and lift more people out of poverty.
But the world remains divided between those empowered by connection and those left behind by it.
As a future data scientist, we believe insight must lead to impact, and technology should serve as a bridge, not a barrier. Thank you.
We are Tim Beliung.